since the attack of Boko Haram in Nigeria. For the very first time, Difa has been attacked, and consequently to that, there are so many people moving because of what happened. So what is the consequence of that? There are so many children that are left behind and accompanied and separated from their families. So SS team is currently here in Difa for family tracing and reunification. So once the kid is placed in a family, the second is to open a child-friendly space where psychological support were given. Because there are so many lactating women and pregnant women that are left behind, so the SOS program has opened what we call KRENAM. KRENAM is like a kind of ambulatory space where lactating women would come with their kids from 5 to 59 months. If the baby is malnourished, moderate, there's a team giving a special counseling on how to prepare this flour, what we call farine mizola, a kind of powder made of local cereals, and also how to continue in taking in charge like the hygiene and everything that would help the kids develop in the best way.